Hello. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here with you today during this first ever virtual Wikimania to talk to you about a new project called Makumbusho. Uh, it's a new tool, uh, a powerful tool to mobilize local communities and facilitate partnership with museum. First of all, let me present myself. So my name is Yemen. I am from Tunisia. I am the co-founder of Wikimedia Tunisia and recently the co-founder of Wiki World Heritage User Group. So we are going to talk about museums, mainly in the global south, and the struggle for this museum to keep their doors open and the fact that they have very limited resource. This museum, they have at the same time the needs to innovate and connect with their communities. So as a result, it's not easy for them to offer or to develop their own mobile application or even their own websites. So the solution for this is to use the Wiki project to generate mobile application for these museums. So the idea is to imagine that it's possible to generate automatically a multilingual mobile application for museum based on content from Wikipedia, Wikidata, and Commons. This will be easy to do via Makumbusho, the project. So we are going to learn a new word now in Swahili. Makumbusho means museum. So how this is possible? So it's easy. It's only three steps. Hakuna matata. Do not worry. So first of all, to simplify the process, you just log into the platform of Makumbusho, type the name of the museum, and click to generate the mobile application. It will be automatically generated. How this is possible? So the Wikimedian or the Makumbusho ambassador will input the name of the museum in the Makumbusho platform. Makumbusho platform will try to retrieve the museum data via Sparkle query from Wikidata. Wikidata will return the data. There is a check to be done to make sure that we can generate a mobile application. This check is based on the number of articles related to this museum. So we need to have a minimum set of articles to be able to build a mobile application. And we'll see that this check can be a motivation to generate more content. If it's okay, then we are going to retrieve the Wikipedia articles from Wikipedia, retrieve the media files from Commons, and the Makumbusho platform will generate automatically an APK, a mobile application that that will be possible to upload it to the Play Store and will be ready to use. Again, this is possible? So the content will be exclusively from Wikimedia project because one of the main goals of this project is to promote the content produced by Wikimedians, demonstrate its value and relevance, and also be a motivation to produce more content. The selection of the content will be done via a Wikidata Sparkle query that takes as parameter the name of the museum. And finally, the generation of the mobile application will be done using the Wix technology, which will allow us to build an offline mobile application. There is many benefit for the Wiki movement to use this platform. This platform or this project will help, first of all, to promote the content produced by Wikimedians. and demonstrate its value and relevance outside of the Wiki project. This project also will be a motivation to produce more content, because if there is no pages about the museums, we cannot generate the mobile application, and local communities and Wikipedians will be motivated to to create new pages. This platform can be a strong argument to approach GLAM institution and build partnerships with them, which will be beneficial for local communities and for the movement. By by generating this mobile application by the local affiliates or communities, we are going to promote and we are going to promote these local communities, and we can imagine the press release that we can have related to these mobile applications. Finally, also we can use this project to promote the accessibility of the Wikipedia content as through the application, as it will be possible to listen to the Wikipedia pages through the application. Actually, the mobile application can be used as a voice guide that can be offered by the museum to the visitor on and pre-install it on tablets so they can listen to the articles while visiting the museum. As I said, this project can be very instant motivation to build GLAM partnership with the GLAM institutions. We can imagine a pitch like that. Help us access and create articles on your collection, and we will give you a free app that you can't afford to produce on your own, and that brings infinitely more value to the visitor than the 3 8 centimeter piece of paper in local language that people usually find below your items. Indeed, can be a good pitch for the museum because the application will be multilingual. So theoretically, for a museum, we can offer a mobile application in more than 300 languages, are the number of languages supported by Wikipedia. And the content can be improved by Wikipedians and can be of good quality. And as I said, museums, especially in the global south, they cannot offer to have this kind of mobile applications or to build them. But we can ask ourselves the question: what keeps museums from developing their own apps? So the museums, especially in the global south, as we said, struggles to keep their doors open. They don't have enough resources to build these applications. It takes time and resources to define the content, the targets, the languages, and to build this kind of app. And then after building that, we have to maintain this application, and there is update fees, and we have to update the content and maybe do the translation. Whilst with Makumbusho, they can have a free app in many languages that can be offered to visitors without the hassle of maintenance and with quality content. The project implementation. So the project will be done on several phases. On the first phases, we are going to start to build a prototype, an Android version, and set up a network of Makumbusho ambassadors within the local affiliates to take care of generating this mobile application and connect with the GLAM institution in their countries. And we are going to also foster the content creation about museums and their collections. In the next phases, we are going to build EOS version for iPhone and iPad. We add the possibility to upload photos to comments from the app to the right category, so it will be done automatically to the category, and possibility to add SDC to comment from the app, like kind of games built in the app. And also the possibility to read QR code to detect automatically the article instead of searching for it. The major next step for this project is to find the funding for this project to finish building the platform and make it available for the local communities. The team behind the project. So here you can see the team. There is myself, Nassima Shahboun from Morocco, Emmanuel and Stefan from the QX, Nicola, our Wikidata expert, Habib Mheni from Tunisia, Wikimedia and administrator on Commons, Christelle Molinet, a GLAM expert from France. Thank you very much. Asante in Swahili. And if you need to contact us, you can reach us through this email address, contact@makumbusho.wiki. I will check also the other part. If there is any question, I will be happy to reply to these questions. There is a question. It will also be very helpful for small glam here in Netherlands. Yes, it's not only for Global South. It will be for all the museums in North and South. John, thank you, Michelle. John Samuel, this will be very useful for museum across the world. Yes, thank you very much, John. So thank you very much. Have a nice day, and see you on Remo.